Good morning, Anthropos, and good morning, BNI. You know, BNI is one of those organizations that truly was founded on certain ancient foundations of shaking hands, looking at someone into their eyes, and building trust. Building trust through consistency. And today, it was my first time being at a BNI chapter meeting in 20 months. 20 months, and it was BNI Anthropos, and this is a ridiculous feeling because this chapter, with the kind of strength it has, and above that the kind of energy it has, and above that the kind of trust it has, it feels like we just started today. We're leaner, meaner, faster, stronger, and that is BNI Anthropos.
It's an exciting feeling coming today after 88 online meetings to the first offline meeting of BNI Anthropos, the showcase chapter of BNI Ahmedabad. And of course, being president of the chapter, I'm a little bit nervous taking care of the room of 130 entrepreneurs, but I believe it would be a great start to the meeting with the great Anthropos chapter. Thank you.
So it feels great to be back after so long time, and I really hope that we have great meeting ahead. Thank you.
Well, it feels amazing seeing so many people after a long time. I feel like my heartbeats and lifeline is back after seeing such energetic crowd over here. A bit nervous, but we'll rock it for sure.
ऑफलाइन मीटिंग बीएनआई की चालू हो गई तो इससे काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है और सबसे बड़ी बात जो इतने सालों से हम लोग मिल नहीं पा रहे थे, एक दूसरे से मिल रहे हैं और एक जो एनर्जी है वो काफ़ी हाई लेवल पे चली गई है. थैंक यू.
Really, it's fantastic. No words to say anything. It is energetic. ...
The only word I have for the offline meetings is energy. The energy in the room is tremendous. The energy of the claps, the energy of your fellow members, everything is just awesome. So looking forward to many more offline meetings. Thank you so much.
Hi, today I'm feeling very excited to attend the first offline meeting after the lockdown. It has been a long time I have not attended an offline meeting, and this is going to be a very different experience again. And looking forward to this meeting and looking forward to many more such meetings in the coming time. Thank you.
This is different feeling, while looking into our colleagues, after maybe 2 years. And online it was the monotonous. Nowadays we were interacting with the very few people and continuously, but there are many people which we have not seen even last 2 years. So it is very exciting, and I am very happy to join the offline meeting today. Thank you.
So we are meeting offline after really like ages. This is our first offline meeting after post the pandemic, and it's very unique. I'm feeling it's my first day in BNI. Everything is different, everything is afresh, everybody is energetic. There is so much, it's a great vibe in the whole place, and we are amazingly, superbly, excitedly looking forward to it. Thank you.
Well, it's great to be back after almost 88 online meetings, and looking forward to the energy in the room and wonderful Thursday mornings along with good breakfast and good friends. That's it.
After 88 online meetings, it's feeling great to be back offline, and really excited to see the meeting.
It feels fantastic coming to the chapter meetings and looking to so many new faces who have got inducted during the COVID times, and good to see old friends also over here, and it's a very good feeling. I can't explain it more. Thank you.
It's great to be back to the normal life after the COVID and pandemic situation, but now meeting all the members personally is like fantastic. It's an amazing feeling getting back after almost 2 years and meeting older members, newer members. We are looking forward for a great tenure ahead. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. So I'm feeling ecstatic. I'm sure everybody is. And it's like a performance, and we are all ready for it. Everyone's up for it. So let the show begin.
It is lovely to be back to the actual offline meetings that we always used to have. It is phenomenal. The energy that you will feel when you meet people face to face, toe to toe is different. Online was amazing. People pulled it off. Was a great deal. That momentum continued for almost 2 years without the offline meetings. But it feels at home when you're back into the room with our own people. Thank you.
Looking forward after 88 online meetings. Very exciting.
So it's an awesome experience. The room is full of energy, and it's good old days are back.
So we've been waiting for this since the last more than 18 months, and the feeling is absolutely different. We feel back on track, and the physical meetings were the charm of BNI. and it was good in the online meetings as well. But the charm of offline meetings is something different, so we are absolutely waiting for it and can't wait for our first meeting to begin. Thank you.
We feel amazing by coming inside the room, and obviously when you meet person to person, it is a completely different feeling than what we were used to do sitting in front of screen. So we are very excited to be part of this particular meeting today. Thank you.
Hi guys, Anthropos. I think so that is one thing which sets standard, and when you just walk in the room after 20 months, you actually have goosebumps, you have shivers in your body, and you feel this is what BNI is all about. This is what leadership is all about. This is what friendship is all about. This is where I want to be. This is what Anthropos is. Leading from the front and making sure that they keep on showing the way. I think so my entire week is going to be crazy just because I was in Anthropos today. So Anthropos, keep on rocking and keep on guiding. Thank you very much.
So there's only one word I have for how I feel coming back offline, and it feels like homecoming.
It's an excellent feeling. We were waiting for that. I think last 3-4 months online we were feeling a bit boring. So it's really excitement is coming back. High level of energy is coming back. So let's pray to God to continue the offline meetings, and we should not face any hindrance now. Thank you.
Yes, it's like 89th meeting and we are meeting it offline, and it's feel like very live, ultra live, and it's too good.
First online meeting after 88 weeks is fantastic. There are certain things in life you cannot replace, and I am a strong believer of technology, but I think there are a few things that you can only do face to face, the warmth, the hugs, the laughter. I don't think we can replace that online. So great to be back. Thank you.
Hi Anthropos and hello BNI members. Offline meetings are the things that everyone missing from the last almost 85 weeks, and this meeting gives a member a supportive and a positive attitude feelings towards the BNI Ahmedabad, and each and every member gets energy from from their fellow members, and that brings more energy, more powerful rooms rather than the online meetings. Thank you.
Good morning BNI and Anthropos. Timing is the key factor. Make sure you benefit with sharing with the people around you. Offline is one thing which makes us very proud, so that we can come back and enjoy this feeling with the people around us. Happy networking. Thank you.
Hi friends, the last time I remember we had an offline meeting, I was sitting right in the middle of the U-shape, and it's amazing. The feeling of BNI is only in offline. It's a homecoming for me. Thank you.
Hi. Feeling of offline meeting is something different, because in online meeting was compulsion only. When you meet offline people, the happiness, the moral of the people to talk, the networking things are amazing. So it's a gel connect, and the growing of the business is there only while the offline meeting is there. Online was only a compulsion due to COVID only, but the meeting of offlines are very tremendous and very interesting, and you meet your own family. Thank you.
पिछले 1.5-2 साल से ड्यू टू दिस कोरोना सभी लोगों ने ऑनलाइन जो मीटिंग किया, उसके अंदर जो इफ़ेक्ट आता था वो बिल्कुल माइनर था. इसके बावजूद भी एंथ्रोपोस नंबर 1 आज है, और अभी तो ये जो ऑफलाइन मीटिंग हो गए आज से जो चालू, तो इसकी जो इफ़ेक्ट है लोगों के साथ जो मिलने का है, क्योंकि 122-123 मेंबर हो गए हैं और सभी को पर्सनली नहीं मिल सकते थे, पर्सनली अटेंशन नहीं दे सकते थे, वो आज वो जो हम दे सकते हैं उसके हिसाब से जो अभी बिजनेस आएगा वो एंथ्रोपोस अभी रीजन का 1 है, वो अभी नेशन का 1 नंबर हो जाएगा. थैंक यू सो मच. वेरी वेल, वी आर एंजॉइंग offline meetings. Thanks.
Good morning, this is Vihangsha. It's a wow feeling to attend the offline meeting after a long time. It was much awaited meeting. When I entered into the room, and I feel very excited and surprised to see a lot of people in my chapter, a lot of new faces, and same, we are back to base. It's a positive Thursday. Thank you, Anthropos, for coming offline. Thank you.
Good morning. It feels very energetic to be back again in offline meeting. Thank you.
It was a pleasure to start the physical meetings. When we are joined, it's after a few weeks it will be lockdown. So we very miss this opportunity to meet all the people, all the entrepreneurs, and share their stories and share the business and everything. So we'd like to glad to all the LTs who started the offline meetings and all the support who help us to make arrangement and make amazing meeting. So thank you very much, and hopefully we do best, and we again make the Anthropos as a showcase chapter. Thank you.
Good morning, Anthropos. So I'm Surendra. It was pleasure, seeing 120 members coming in the morning, a room full of energy, meeting everyone in the morning was a real fun after so long time. Thank you, Anthropos team, for making this happen. Thank you.
Hi, my fellow BNI members, and especially my Anthropos family. It was such an amazing feeling today when I came in the morning and I saw 125 faces with all energy and excitement. And I was amazed that I really felt what I was missing since last 2 years. Online was my business, but offline meetings was actually a feeling which I was actually missing since last 2 years. Thank you so much for this amazing morning, and it was a lovely meeting today. Thank you.
Good morning, Anthropos. I am very excited to attend this meeting after 1.5 years later. It will be so energetic. Thank you so much.
Good morning, Anthropos. It's a very energetic word. After 82 offline meeting, it feels so energetic for me today. આજે ઘણા ટાઈમ પછી ઓલમોસ્ટ 1.5 વર્ષ પછી ફરી ઓફલાઈન મિટિંગની અંદર I feel very good. Love you, Anthropos family. Thank you so much.
After the 88 meetings, ઓફલાઈન મિટિંગ ચાલુ થઈ એટલે બધા જ મેમ્બર્સને રૂબરૂ મળવાનો ઘણો જ આનંદ આવ્યો અને બધાને 1-to-1 પર્સનલી મળી શકાયું અને ખાસ કરીને 25 સેકન્ડ્સ બધાની સાંભળવા જે રૂબરૂ મળી અને જે બોલવાની અને એના એક્સપિરિયન્સ જે આવ્યા છે ખૂબ જ મજા આવી અને ખરેખર હવે ઓફલાઈન મિટિંગ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ રહે એવી આશા રાખી.
So hi everyone, this is Dr. Meet Ramatri from Anthropos. I'm a dentist and represent my category of family and child dental care. So here, this is only possible when you meet in person. So there's a warmth, there is a connect with everyone, and I would love to continue this. And I'm back with the bang, and I'm very happy to be here. And offline meeting, in-person meeting will give you a connect like before, and definitely more business, more visibility, more connect. Thank you once again. Keep networking.
Hi, this is Vikas Masan from Shri Krishna Petroleum. Offline meetings are amazing. You can meet so many people. You are always there to meet friends, make new friends, and yeah, of course, in-person meeting increases your confidence and it increases your friend circle, it increases your business. So offline meetings were awesome. I look forward to all of them. All of you to meet here. Thank you.
So it was amazing and awesome to meet after 88 weeks all the entrepreneurs from different trade, the new members, the old members, and it was amazing to catch up with them, have a coffee together, have a chit chat, and the business, non-business activity. So it was awesome experience meeting after so long time. Thank you so much for making it happen, and looking forward to attending more and more offline meetings in future. Thank you.
It's superb, very nice. So it is very energetic morning, and I love to keep coming on every Thursday in the morning.
Good morning. I think શું કહું પહેલાં તો ખબર નથી પડતી, બટ ધીસ ઇઝ ફર્સ્ટ ઓફલાઈન મિટિંગ ફોર મી. પહેલાં બહુ જ નર્વસ હતી કે ખબર નહીં શું થશે, બટ હા, આફ્ટર જોઈન and after complete offline meeting, I really feel what I'm missing in online. Thank you.
Good morning. It is amazing experience coming for the first time over here. Amazingly executed, very well designed and superb. I mean, everybody is so enthusiastic and super high energy levels. Thank you so much.
It's a feeling very good. It's superb. અને જે નર્વસનેસ હતી અત્યારે કશું જ નથી લાગતું રૂમમાં આવ્યા પછી. જે પોડમાં ફિલિંગ હતું એ જ 123 મેમ્બરમાં ફિલિંગ છે. Thank you so much for a good chapter like Anthropos. Thank you.
Well, I've joined the BNI as an online
an entrepreneur, and this is my first in-person meeting. It has been amazing experience altogether. The energy was different, and cheers to the offline meetings. Yay!
Hi, so it was my first meeting and I felt very nice meeting 130 people for the first time, and it was a very overwhelming feeling for me, and yeah, it was good overall. Yeah, thank you.
Good morning, it felt very nice, great energy, great environment and great feeling. It's very wonderful offline meetings. It was my first experience of offline meeting. Thank you.
My first offline meeting experience was so much more amazing than what I had expected. The energy, the camaraderie was very invigorating, and looking forward to having many such meetings.
And basically it's been over a year since I joined BNI, and all my meetings till now have been online, and this is my first offline meeting, and the energy, the excitement is just been really awesome over here. And I really like the online meeting, but it is just like what in comparison to this offline meeting where we are meeting and making real good friends, online meeting I would say was quite stale. That is probably the word that comes to my mind right now, and I'm very happy that the world has opened up and we are having this offline meeting, and I hope it continues. Thank you.
Yeah, my first offline meeting, and it is a terrific experience. The peoples around here, it's lots of energy, and all are clapping and happy with each other's achievement, each other sharing views, each other's motivations. So we see the peoples and we feel the energy, and it's a tremendous good experience. Thank you.
Good morning. This was my first offline meeting, and the feeling is beyond my expectation. I was thinking that the meetings will be like this, but what I have seen here is something really great and grand, and looking forward to be part of this chapter for coming years. Thank you.
First meeting was so fantastic. It's good to be back, first of all, and I hope this goes on, and let's fingers crossed and hope to the God that we get the best experience again with BNI, with physical meetings, and hoping to the best tenure this time. Thank you so much.
Good morning. Life feels to be back to normal after attending today's BNI meeting, the first offline meeting. Thank you.
Good morning. It has been a rocking start for offline meetings, and looking forward for more good time. Thank you.
Very much excited. It was real fun in physical 1-to-1 and innovative 25 seconds. Thank you BNI for the physical meeting.
It was great for the first time in person, taking the BNI Anthropos meeting the 130 members here. The offline meeting played a very huge role in connecting with all the members here. Thank you.
Good morning Anthropos. So it was today the first offline meeting of me. I am probably the eldest COVID baby of Anthropos. I joined after COVID. But online meeting and offline meetings are completely different. I thoroughly enjoyed the vibe, the feeling and the celebrations of offline meeting today.
Hello everyone, my name is Dheeraj Sejwani, and this is my first offline meeting after a series of online meetings. I joined post-COVID, and it is a tremendous experience.
This is my first in-person meeting. Actually, I'm a COVID baby, and honestly, I was a bit nervous before coming down to the place. And after seeing the energy and after meeting the people over here, it was simply beautiful. And I'll just add one more thing. As this was my first meeting, it will be a lifetime memory for me. I cannot forget this meeting. Thank you.
Well, it was an amazing experience of the offline meeting, though I'm into online business. But one word for offline meeting, that is amazing. Thank you.